Hey, Coon Dog, number 3 in the Carolinas, man. Hey, Coon Dog, have a good night. Number 3 in the Carolinas, man. We're wailing. What channel you gonna go to, hippie? Yeah.
You doing that same contract?
Hey, Coon Dog, I don't know if I keyed with you or not. Hey, Coon Dog, number 3. Hey, Coon Dog, number 3, man, we waving.
Come and say what's up. Well, we got a man also down there. Yeah, right on that, Lakeside. We actually just here at Camp Lejeune, man, right outside of camp.
All right, Coon Dog, man, I heard you waving that time. Hey, Coon Dog, I heard you waving that time, man. You know we got all these other ones keying up in here. Hey, Coon Dog,
man, you plugging my ears out and sitting down. Time. Hey, Lakeside, you know I'm a Smokin Joe around Camp Lejeune. Will you step in?
131 North.
Hey, Smokin Joe over there around, I don't know where you at, but I can't remember. Hey, Smokin Joe, 445 said you sounding good over here in Mississippi.
Yeah, it's showing up, man. It's definitely, good gracious, man. It is definitely showing up and showing out. Yeah, I know, taking you out, too. Yeah, stuff, I've got what I paid, is a little over $400, I think.
Back, Smokin Joe on this one.
Yeah.
Cloud, you tell my friend Game Board number 2 is waving. Hey, Mr. White Cloud, you tell my friend Mr. Game Board the number 2 is waving his way. Hello, White Cloud, the beast of the east.
I'm gonna do the same thing, too, man. Tell us.
Hey, number 2, 445 waving at you. Hey, number 2, 445 waving, and you have a good weekend. 445 got down.
445.
Hey, 445. Hey, 445. Hey, now you got through waving at number 2, number 3 gonna get a wave in there. Hey, 445, number 3 in the Carolinas, and we gone. Yeah.
All right, number 3 in the Carolinas. Well, you got that big old hammer out there. I got this video gate rolling. Hey, man, you got this old back in the mess 9 over about 40, 50 dBs. I'll send you the video gate. Hey, number 3, 445 said that.
They definitely heard you in there. 445. We're good up here in the Carolinas, too. We're about 12 miles from the road station. Hey, we're gone.
Here with the wave got down.
All right, number 3, 445 gonna get out of the way. We should just jump in there to see if we can wave at a few people. Hey, number 3 in the Carolinas, 445 getting down. Bye.
Hey, 445. Can I get it back? 445, can I get it back? Smokin Joe, 445, Smokin Joe,
Well, I guarantee.
All right, Smokin Joe. Yeah, I was hollering at you a while ago. I guess you didn't hear me. Hey, Smokin Joe, I got you on this video gate too. He's sounding real good out there, Smokin Joe. 445 said that.
All right, man, let's get back and see what's going on with Mother Nature. She wants to hang in there while the sun's going down.
Good back out. Cruising this shooting star by
All right, Smokin Joe, we'll bump it down on you later. It's rough and tough out there. But hey, Smokin Joe, you doing your natural born thing out there. Hey, Smokin Joe, 445 said that. Bye.
Hello, 440. 410, ain't 440. Need to take care, man.
Bye, shake down. Hey, Lyman said bye, shake down in the hog yard. Hey, shake down in the hog yard. Lyman said bye.
Down, he's a shake.
Hey, Lakeside, you still sounding treetop tall on the coast of North Carolina. Lakeside sounding real good. Sawdust want to let you know that. We appreciate that bump down. Hey, Lakeside, Sawdust, and I'm back quiet.
Hey, Sawdust, hey, while you're making all that noise out there in my radio, Sawdust, tell that old 007 Lakeside 445 waving at him.
Hey, 714, get your mind off of my friend Junebug.
Hey, 445. Hey, 445. Hey, how much he's raising out there now? 440. River Snatcher with a nose problem, right?
Hey, Radio Snatcher is sounding real good out there. Ain't no need of having no nose problem. You're just doing your thing. Hey, Radio Snatcher 445 waving.
Man, no doubt about it. 445. 445. That be Blower Snatcher. Blower Snatcher. Roger. On 3. Hey.
Hey,
This is Bayou State. Hey, Lakeside, if I say...
I think he said Booty Snatcher. Hey, Booty Snatcher, 445 said it's all them big hammers are out there right about this 1036, and it's rough on my ears. Booty Snatcher, 445.
Yeah, we'll be cross-talking sometimes, man. That's the way it goes, man. Every now and again, man, you talk to the last friend, my CB friend. Right up under the last one, showing 445. Tell my CB friend. He's out there trying to cross-talk every now and again, but somebody show this off. Some old big mouth with this piece of junk, 1970. I can read to you up.
I heard half of that out there, Booty Snatcher. It said something about tell your CB friends, but man, it's all, I told you all them big hammers are out there, man. I can't make out who's saying what. But hey, you have a good one out there, 445. Gonna slide right to the side, read the mail.
743. Alright, 445 radio man. Hey, 445 radio man, you're too. Yeah, I heard you, man, but I'm back
I think I heard my friend 243 Nitro out there. Hey, 243 Nitro, 445 waving and getting out the way, man. It's rough out there.
Definitely booming on you a little bit later while we're looking at Arkansas. Old lineman 258, East Coast, cruising on through, is back down. 6 in the bayou, I hope you heard my... Popcorn, oh yeah. Hey, is there some popcorn in these radios in mine?
This mail also, number 2, A2. I appreciate that power supply, man. O-Tech 2, Carpet back out.
No, that'll go.
And Carpet's still making a lot of noise out there in my radio around Mississippi, 445 said that.
I hear you, 445.
Alright, Carpet, you have a good weekend over there, Carpetman, 445 said I see you, bye.
Hey, you do the same, big brother. 445, you do the same. I'm gonna get out of the way before I get ran slap over. Old Carpet, Carolina gone. What's going on? Break.
Hey, 228 and all. Cut it off, Let's see if I can get it back. I hear you around the hall yard, breaking and standing by. Smokin' Joe cruising this small station around Camp Lejeune. We're on the mail.
In there talking to KY.
Hey, Shakedown. I'm sitting here looking just this stupid anyway. Hey, Shakedown. It don't matter. Hey, Shakedown. Nitro wins. Video when I'm looking above west. I'm looking west, northwest. They cut it off. Sawdust trying to get in your receive. Well, Junebug with no get back on. And daggone there's drummer boy.
Hey, Junebug, 445, heard you in there? Hey, Junebug, 445 said, you sounding good over there in the Carolinas. You have a good one, Junebug, 445, goddamn.
Later, 445. Later, 445.
Later.
28, I'll tell you what. I didn't hear nobody but Postman Dog. We'll put it on you later on, man. Sounding real good around the Carolinas. A Sky Jumper, Smokin' Joe cruising this small station around Camp Lejeune. We'll see you. Hey, dead a low leg, your Junebug. I'll see you. Bye.
Hey, Junebug, I heard you up there, and dang old Smokin' Joe over there too. Hey, Junebug in the Carolinas, 445 said I see you. Bye.
Hey, 445, tell Junebug I said hello. Hey, 445, will you do me a favor, man, and tell Junebug I said hello? 445, Smokin' Joe cruising this small station. We just got done.
Alright, Smokin' Joe. Hey, Junebug over in the Carolinas. Hey, Smokin' Joe over there waving a hand at you. We're gonna get out the middle of the road, Junebug, to see ya.
My radio. I appreciate it, 445.
You better tell old Smokin' Joe to leave Junebug alone. Hey, 445, you better tell old Smokin' Joe to leave Junebug alone. Break.
Good afternoon. Alright, thanks.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, Carpet. Hey, Smokin' Joe, that was Carpetman said to leave Junebug alone. I got the voices mixed up. Hey, Smokin' Joe, Carpetman said to leave old Junebug alone.
What'd you say? It was Carpetman that said leave Junebug alone. I heard you say it was 445. I see Smokin' Joe reading this way. Oh, tell me to get off my back. Have a good one. He did end up looking to get off my back while I'm looking Hey, Shake, what you making all that?
Alright, Junebug, I heard you say tell somebody get off your back. Alright, Junebug, in the Carolinas, you have a good one. We'll see you. We're going to get out of the middle of the road.
Yes, right. Got nobody on his back, 445.
Tell Junebug I need to catch
Got nothing but a monkey on his back right about now, 445, Smokin' Joe stepping.
reading the mail.
Alright there, Smokin' Joe and Carpetman and Junebug. I got it on video gate, and we'll let everybody else sort it out. I'm cutting this video gate off. We see ya, bye.
Put it on you later, 445.